Handog Lingap is not just teaching students to swim. We're giving them confidence and teaching them life-saving skills. And of course, an experience that they will remember.
Ang ibig sabihin nga ng handog, this is a gift for our learners with disability. Ang Lingap, andyan sila para tayo'y arugain at bigyan ng halaga ang ating mga learners with disabilities.
This project started with us since 2012, and we are hoping that this be sustained annually and regularly.
Sana nga po, isa po sa ating mga atleta ngayon ay magtuloy-tuloy at maging atleta para sa NCR at para din sa ating bansang Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat po. Nag-enjoy to the max ang anak ko sa swimming. Thank you very much.
Thank you ng maraming. Natuwa po yung anak ko.
From the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat.
This event is not just an event, it's a mission of hope, learning, and community development.